Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your region in the Voghion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then just click on the region button at the service section. And here, as you can see, you can scroll down and just find your region and just click on that, and then click on the done button at the top of the page on the right. And your region is successfully set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.